It may seem overwhelming to establish a path from engaging or re-engaging a donor to guide them in making a gift, but it doesn't have to be. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. Start by asking yourself, what do I have to do to secure a gift? Let me share this. There are 5 essential steps to consider on a weekly basis to get you to that end result of securing a large gift. Let's take a look. In step 1, you want to establish a goal. Consider one major donor at a time. Maybe start with current donors, those who are committed to your organization at some level. Then ask yourself, what is possible with this donor and what do we want to accomplish? Until you write down a clear goal, you don't really know where to start. In step 2, you want to outline a strategy for each donor. In meeting with clients, one of the most effective activities we do is identify engagement strategies for top donors. It's a valued time we spend together in our client coaching relationship. But strategizing does not end there. In step 3, decide on specific next steps. Once you know what you must do to engage each of your top donors, you want to identify a checklist of next steps and then work the list. Get singularly focused on specific, actionable next steps. This list keeps you motivated. Simply focus on your next steps and take action. Don't overthink it. Think about what to do next to move forward in reaching your goals and working your strategies, and then do it. You are strengthening your relationships with your donors. In step 4, you set target dates. To transform a strategy into next steps, you want to set deadlines. The best way to hold yourself and colleagues accountable is to set target dates of what you will do when. Next steps may be as simple as writing an email, sending a text, or leaving a voice message. It feels real when you say you will contact Mr. Jones by Tuesday. But that's how accountability works. Without a deadline, you rarely take action on the strategies you established. And when you fail to take action, donor cultivation dwindles, and securing large gifts becomes out of reach. And finally, in step 5, review your goals and strategies weekly. It's so easy to get distracted from what's vitally important because of day-to-day rushes. By taking action to strengthen donor relationships, that's essential in cultivating donors and securing a gift. You want to establish a time for weekly strategy review with others to stay focused on what you must do to reach your goals. This process will move you to raise more money for your organization. In summary, most fundraisers don't realize how easy it is to secure large gifts. It merely takes intention, a process, and gumption. But the key is establishing a process. But if you have a get up and go attitude, you can raise significant funds for your organization. There is no doubt. So make fundraising happen by outlining donor strategies, deciding on next steps, setting deadlines, and reviewing goals and strategies weekly. One more thing, before it goes away in a few days, be sure to download my free Major Gift Fundraising Blueprint. Click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com, then click on the button that says Get Free Plan. See you next time.